Welcome back to our Smart Home, where innovation meets practicality. Since COVID lockdowns in 2020, I've converted my home into a smart sanctuary of sustainability. Not only is our beloved bamboo thriving, but our living space has become a sanctuary of comfort, achieved sustainably and economically. Our clunky old HVAC system, with its long-lost remote and universal substitute turned yellow with age, is now the centre of a climate control system smart enough to toast your toes in winter and cool your summer evenings, all while slashing our electricity bill by 25% and prolonging the appliance's life by running efficiently. How? Not only by dictating when our vintage workhorse kicks in, but by considering the environment it works within and the people that it's serving. So how does this wizardry occur? Well, it began with a little DIY involving an ESP32 microcontroller and ESP Home. But the good news, today you can opt for off-the-shelf tech like this Broadlink unit for similar finesse. We're now tracking temperatures not just at the ceiling where the heat loves to linger, but where we actually live. And those motion sensors for lights, they double as attendants, ensuring we don't waste energy on empty rooms. And door sensors, they're our guards against heating the great outdoors. Plus, with a real-time weather feed, we leverage natural cooling whenever Melbourne graces us with a breezy chill. In essence, it's energy optimization plus a bonus, extending the life of what was once archaic hardware. By keeping the HVAC compressor on for no less than 15 minutes at a time, we avoid the wear and tear of frequent on-off cycles, as these old units hover around the desired temperature. Smarter, right? And as for the user interface, behold our command center, built on Home Assistant. It makes managing our eco-smart home a breeze, allowing me to hide the complex logic, yet staying within reach for adjustment. It's a tinkerer's dream. Oh, and you can just press this button too. But what about solar, you ask? While panels aren't an option in our block of townhouses just yet, we tapped into the sun's power and wind force in a unique way. We just switched energy retailers to Amber Electric. Now we can ride the waves of wholesale electricity prices that reflect real-time renewable availability. And this takes us to building the next stage of our smart homes evolution. Imagine a world where the cost of powering your home swings like the pendulum of a clock, from a mere 9 cents per kilowatt hour to way above 40 cents per kilowatt hour, not just based on the time of day, but on the green footprint of our energy grid. That's the reality here, with Amber's data constantly feeding us the percentage of renewables at play. So even though solar panels currently elude us, we're creatively harnessing the rooftop solar surge by syncing our consumption to those golden hours when the community generously pumps excess solar into the grid. This is our choreography of conservation. Our smart home won't just exist, it will respond, it will react. It's an active participant in demand response through what's known as load management. Consider the simple elegance of basic load controllers. Picture the washing machine or dishwasher lying in wait, springing to life only when the grid declares green is the theme. It's simple yet impactful in its sustainability. However, my vision doesn't stop at the simple. I'm currently engineering for the sophisticated, discerning the optimal orchestration for a much more advanced energy management system. For example, is it prudent to preemptively chill our sanctuary while the sun still reigns supreme, reducing the temperature delta later on? Can a pre-cooled home navigate the notorious duck curve that sees renewables wane with the waning day? This is not the future. This is just connecting the dots between different technologies that exist today. Thanks for joining me on this electrifying adventure. If you're looking to make your own home smarter or more energy efficient, remember, innovation starts just one step at a time. Feel free to reach out to me if you'd like any more specifics.